thought I'd take you on a bit of a lap around the Red Leader, just to show you all the lovely stuff that I've got inside it. So we'll get in the driver's seat first. You'll notice that the seats aren't actually, you know, the standard seats, because they're on these Recaros, these lovely Recaros that I managed to pick up from eBay for 40 quid for the pair. And they're on these 1/4-inch plates, adapters that actually go to the runners, so they do actually move forward and backwards. The car is a bit minging at the moment because I've been using it as a garage as well. As you can see, the passenger seat isn't in yet because I can't be bothered to do it, and it's really messy. It is really messy. I've got a head unit to go that's in, non-standard Volvo cup holders made by Adam, and that's really, the front is so bog standard. Oh, we've got this steering wheel that we'll have to figure out in a bit, because when I put it on at a slight slant because I'm an idiot. Back seats, obviously, excuse the camera equipment, but got to get that Mickey D's. And the coffee cups, I love coffee so much, it's unbelievable. But yeah, not necessarily true, because it doesn't have enough power to slide. I'm going to reveal right now that the big trip that we're doing this year is Romania. So I'm going to be going to Romania in the Red Leader. Yep, I'm going to be driving to Romania in the Red Leader. So the episodes up and coming are the big suspension swap. That's going to be a very big episode, and we're also going to be doing changing the wheels, and just other sort of general kind of things that we're going to be doing to get the Red Leader ready for August, for when we go to Romania. That will all be vlogged. That'll be me and my wife, and we'll be with loads of other cars as well, so look forward to that. So the boot full up of spare parts that we're going to be getting all sandblasted, ready to put back on after they've been powder coated, for all the suspension and braking. So firstly, we've got wheels. Now I like steel wheels, so we're going to be putting steel wheels on, and these are all the spare rusty parts. Now if you're a Volvo 240 owner, you'll know that the coilovers come with the spindle attached. So these are spare ones that are going to get sent back to the people who are making the coilovers, so that they can do more coilovers. We've got the wishbone, fuel jerry can, newspapers and wellies and things like that. So my boot is just chock full of crap. So I hope you enjoyed that little segment into the Red Leader's life and how I live in general. So